How to get coffee stains out of clothing. If you usually start your day with a cup of coffee, you'll almost certainly have to deal with drips or spills at some point. The good news is that these stains can generally be removed with a few basic cleaning techniques that use items you probably already have on hand. Whatever technique you use to remove a coffee stain, make sure you don't put the clothing in the dryer until the stain is totally gone. While a coffee stain is still visible, machine drying the item can set the stain, making it virtually impossible to remove. When treating coffee stains on clothing, it's better to act promptly. If the spill happened recently, remove the clothing immediately and flush the fabric with cold water. If a simple cold water rinse doesn't work, or if the stain has been on your garment for more than a few minutes, consider one of these additional tried and true ways for removing coffee stains off clothing. 1. Vinegar. A mix of distilled white vinegar, liquid detergent, and water will efficiently loosen coffee stains. This approach for removing coffee stains from most types of clothes works well, but if you're worried about ruining the garment, practice on an inconspicuous spot first. Combine 1 quart lukewarm water, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, and ½ teaspoon liquid dishwashing detergent. Soak clothing for 15 minutes in the solution, then rinse and hang to dry. 2. Toothpaste. Because it functions as an exfoliant, you may rub the coffee discoloration with a little white toothpaste to break it down. 3. Baking soda. Make a paste using baking soda and water, then scrub it into the stain and rub until the stain is gone. Rinse with cold water. 4. Baby powder. Apply a small amount of baby powder on the article of clothing. Allow it to sit for a few minutes before rinsing with cold water. After trying the method of your choice, check to see if the stain is still visible. If it is, then repeat your steps. If not, then wash as usual. Drop us a comment and let us know which method was your favorite. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.